Happy New Year, family and friends. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a fun journey around the globe again, exploring these fascinating countries and learning a bit more about them. Will you come with me? If so, let's buckle in and get started. First up on our destination list is Tunisia. This vibrant country, located in North Africa, is home to around 12 million people. The capital city is Tunis, and if you ever meet someone from Tunisia, you'd call them a Tunisian. One interesting thing to note is that the official language here is Arabic. Now here's a cool tidbit. Many scenes from the iconic original Star Wars film were shot here, including those featuring Luke Skywalker's home planet. How amazing is that? Next, let's head over to Turkey. With a bustling population of around 85 million. Turkey is a country that bridges Europe and Asia. The capital city is Ankara, yet everyone knows Istanbul. It's not just the biggest city, but also the most famous one. A person from Turkey is known as a Turk, and they primarily speak Turkey. Now here's a fact that might catch your attention. Did you know that the legendary city of Troy, which appears in Homer's famous epic The Iliad, is located in Turkey? That's right, this land is famous in mythology. Traveling a bit north, we reach Ukraine. Nestled in Eastern Europe, Ukraine boasts a population of about 41 million, with Kyiv serving as its capital city. Folks hailing from Ukraine are called Ukrainians, and the official language is Ukrainian. Here's a fun fact for you. Ukraine is often referred to as the breadbasket of Europe because of its lush farmland and significant grain production. Wow, what an incredible history! Now let's switch gears and jet over to United Arab Emirates, or the UAE for short. This stunning federation comprises 7 emirates, including the well-known Abu Dhabi and dazzling Dubai, and has a population of around 10 million. An individual from the UAE is known as an Emirati, and they also speak Arabic. Here's a fun piece of info. The Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, holds the title for the tallest building in the world. It really is an architectural marvel. Wow. Next, let's hop over to the United Kingdom. The UK, which includes England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, has a diverse population of about 67 million. The capital, London, of course. If you're from the UK, it's been referred to as British, or more casually, a Brit. The official language spoken here is English. A fascinating snippet of history, the UK is home to Queen Elizabeth II, who was the longest reigning monarch in history, reigning for over 70 years. That's some serious history too. Now, let's pop across the United States. The US is a vast country with a population of about 331 million. Washington DC is the capital, and if you're from the US, you've been called an American. The primary language here is English, but of course you'll find people from all walks of life and many different languages being spoken. And here's a fun fact for nature lovers. The United States has an abundance of stunning national parks, with Yellowstone being the first national park ever created. It's an outdoor paradise. Moving down to South America, let's take a look at Uruguay. This modest-sized country has a population of about 3.5 million, and its capital is Montevideo. People from Uruguay are called Uruguayans, and the official language here is Spanish. Next, we'll swing to Venezuela, located in northern part of South America. It's quite populated with around 28 million residents. Caracas is the capital city, and folks hailing from Venezuela are known as Venezuelans, while Spanish is the go-to language. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Venezuela is home to the world's highest waterfall, Angel Falls, which plunks down an impressive 3,200 feet. Imagine the views! Wow! Now onward to Vietnam, with about 98 million people. Vietnam is a country rich in culture and history. The capital city is Hanoi, and individuals from the Vietnam are called Vietnams. The official language spoken here is Vietnamese. And guess what? Vietnam is the world's leading producer of cashew nuts and black pepper. Talk about delicious contribution to the culinary world. Lastly, let's take a moment to explore Wales. This enchanting country is part of the United Kingdom, and has a population of roughly 3.1 million. The capital of Wales is Cardiff, and people from Wales are known as Welsh. They speak both Welsh and English. Here's a fun fact: Wales boasts more castles per square mile than any other country in the world. Can you imagine the history and stories behind those walls? We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour around the world. If you liked what you learned today, please hit that like button. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below letting us know where you're from and what language you speak. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time. Bye.